Hello everyone, today I will tell and show how to use a voltage relay. A voltage relay or protection relay is designed to regulate voltage drops in the network. For example, if the voltage in the network is very low or the voltage is above the set threshold, then an automatic shutdown occurs. This is necessary so that household appliances, air conditioners, refrigerators, washing machines, etc. do not burn out. When you press the button, up arrow, it shows the upper shutdown limit. The upper limit in this case is 250 volts. When you press the button, dot arrow, it shows the lower shutdown threshold of 180 volts. When you press the button I, it shows the value of the last emergency shutdown of the relay, 258 volts. We look at the neighboring voltage relays, the same principle of use, button plus. This is the upper protection limit of 250 volts. Button minus is the lower protection limit of 180 volts. Delay time is 60 seconds. Button I is the value of the last voltage shutdown. To adjust the upper voltage limit, press the button up arrow. Hold the button with your finger for 5 seconds. The value starts to flash. Now use the button up arrow down to set the desired value. Up arrow, raise. Down arrow, lower the value. Set it again to 250 volts. Now you need to wait a little for the value to be fixed. I also set the lower limit by holding the button down arrow for 5 seconds with the button down arrow. Lower the value, and with the button up arrow, raise the value limit. I set 180 volts, the lower value limit. To adjust the delay time, press with 2 fingers, up-down button for 5 seconds. Now the delay time is 60 seconds. Use the buttons up, down arrow to raise or lower the value. I set it again to 1 minute. The delay time is the time after which the electricity in the network will be turned on again after an emergency shutdown. That's all. Like and subscribe to the channel. All the best until next time.